Apple Visual Intelligence is making waves in the AI scene, but does it live up to the hype? Today we're diving into what this feature really offers and whether it's worth your time and attention. So, what exactly is Apple Visual Intelligence? At its core, this AI feature enhances your visual experience across various Apple devices, primarily focusing on image recognition and augmented reality applications. The interface is clean and integrates seamlessly with existing Apple apps, which is a big plus for anyone already in the Apple ecosystem. Users can expect advanced features like object detection and scene understanding, which can be incredibly useful for photographers and developers alike. However, while the basic functionalities are impressive, there are moments where the AI feels a bit limited. For instance, the depth of information it provides on complex images isn't always as robust as you might hope. And let's not forget the intended audience. It seems geared towards creatives and tech enthusiasts. But for the average user, some of the deeper functionalities might feel a bit overwhelming or underutilized. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the integration with other Apple services is smooth, and the object detection works surprisingly well, making tasks like searching for images or organizing photos much easier. Plus, the potential for augmented reality applications is exciting. However, there are a few downsides. The lack of detailed tutorials can be frustrating for newcomers, and some users might find the feature underwhelming if they're expecting groundbreaking capabilities. Additionally, privacy concerns are always in the air when it comes to AI, and Apple hasn't provided exhaustive transparency on how data is handled with this feature. Overall, while creatives may find a lot of value here, casual users might not fully appreciate what it brings to the table. In conclusion, Apple Visual Intelligence is a solid tool for those deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem, particularly for creatives and developers. However, if you're a casual user or looking for something groundbreaking, you might want to explore other options first. It's worth a try, but maybe not a must-have just yet.